how to draw little bird. We'll begin by drawing arrow. So to this arrow we'll add a circle adjacent to it. Then we'll draw a curve and we'll extend it down till it meets this line. Draw a feather and another feather. Then we'll form the foot, and after this we'll start coloring. I'll be using blue color.